Can you get YouTube Premium for free? So let's get started. YouTube offers a 1 month free trial for new users so you can experience ad-free videos, background play and YouTube Music Premium, and visit the YouTube Premium page and look for any tried free offer. Some devices or promotions may extend this to 3 months as well. Also, if you have friends or family with YouTube Premium, ask if they can add you to their family plan, which allows you to 5 additional members to share one subscriptions. The other one is the student discount trial. If you are a student, YouTube offers discounted premium rates and often includes free trial periods for new student accounts. Make sure to verify your student status to see if you are eligible. Not only this, YouTube occasionally partners with apps, services, or banks to offer extended trials or discounts on premium. Check current offers in your region. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.